Check it out. Are you guys ready to make this delicious, creamy, bacon, jalapeno, cheddar stuffed burger? Well, you don't have a choice. I'm gonna share with you anyway. What up today? Today I'm just sharing you a simple recipe. Everyone knows how to make burgers, everyone knows how to cook bacon, but I'm gonna show you how to make a stuffed plant-based burger. Two important things that you need to make this recipe. The two with this one is how to stuff your plant-based meat. Today I'm using Impossible. You can use your own choice. Impossible works great for me. The key thing to stuffing this is making sure that you have a flat layer when you are creating your patty. And so other recipes require you to make this little hole. I make it super duper flat, put my cream in the middle, make another flat layer on top, make another ball, and then smash it down together. And that's how I make my burger. How to make the creamer, which I'm using some Folio Heart sour cream, also tofu cream cheese. This is gonna give us that real silky taste in the middle. Cheese, I'm using cheddar cheese today, some slices that I'm gonna shred up, and then also jalapenos, I call them pinos. And then we can't do this without the bacon. I'm going with all vegetarian, which is my favorite right now. And then I got my spices and all that good stuff to keep the burger looking all good and tasting perfect. So let's make this thing and go on from there. Now, if you look super close, you can actually see the cheddar bacon cheese just oozing out of there with the jalapeno. Major success. Make you want to have a good holiday.